In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create buttons in Notion. We'll walk through adding a button to your page, naming and styling it, so it's easy to recognize, and defining exactly what it should do when someone clicks it. Start on any Notion page where you want a quick action. Type /button anywhere on the page, then choose button from the menu that appears. This drops a new button onto your page and opens its settings so you can configure it right away. Give your button a clear label. Short, action-focused names like New Task, Log Meeting, or Add Note work best, because they tell you exactly what will happen. You can also choose an icon or emoji to make it stand out and more scannable. A simple symbol related to the task helps people recognize the button's purpose at a glance. Next, add what the button should do. Select New Action to choose from several options. Insert Blocks lets you automatically place content on the page when the button is clicked. You can insert text, to-do lists, or other blocks, and decide whether they appear above or below the button. This is great for creating quick templates, like a checklist or a formatted note that appears in the same place every time. Add Page to creates a new entry inside a specific database. Pick the database you want to use, and the button will reliably add a fresh item there each time. It's perfect for capturing new tasks, meetings, or ideas without breaking your flow. Edit pages and updates properties for specific pages in a database. Use this when you want the button to make a change for you, such as updating a status, toggling a checkbox, or applying a tag to targeted entries. It keeps routine updates fast and consistent. Open Page or URL immediately navigates you to another page or a website. This is handy when you want the button to act like a smart shortcut, sending you straight to a dashboard, a reference page, or an external tool. You can stack multiple actions so they run sequentially. For example, your button can insert a short template, add a page to a database, and then open a reference page all with one click. When you are satisfied with the label, the icon, and the actions, click Done to finalize your button. That's it, simple, fast, and powerful. Use buttons to streamline your workflows and reduce repetitive clicks across your workspace.